Yep, it's official. Bitcoin just crashed below 100,000 USD. Ethereum is down 14%, over $1 billion in liquidations. The entire crypto market is bleeding. But this box, it makes 15 USD every single day, while everything else burns. I'm Lucas from Antminer, and I'm about to show you why going against the crowd is the smartest play. November 5th, 2025. Bitcoin down to 100k, Ethereum crashed at 3,100 USD. Total market capitalization lost 370 billion, but Dash, it's up 231% in 5 days. While everyone panics, privacy coins are exploding, and this Antminer D9 mines Dash at 1.77 terahash per second using X11. That's 11 different algorithms chained together for maximum security. So let's show you the beast. Released at February 2023 by Bitmain. 16 kilograms of serious hardware, 4 fans, built-in power supply. The numbers: 2,850 watts of power at 10 cents per kilowatt hour. That's about 6.84 in electricity daily. Current revenue: 15 USD 0.47 per day. That's $8.50 profit. That's 255 per month. Over 3,000 per year. Let's see what this nice Bitmain box is hiding inside. It's a serious piece of hardware, but you know, most of Bitmain things are packaged this way. It's basically the same box, slightly different dimension for each ASIC. Only thing that vary on these machines is this sticker. And this one stands for D9 1770G. Let's take a look what's inside. The manual. This is why these foam things are inside, to not crush the miner but the foam. These fans, in front and back, we have 4 fans, 12 centimeters. These are screaming around 80 decibels on full power. I would like to confirm one thing specifically, and that is the hash boards. As you can see, this is more or less standard Bitmain machine. You have 3 hash boards and the control board and everything. This compartment is accessible and has to be accessible for servicing. If you have to replace the fan, fan failure, you need to open this compartment, disconnect the fan, replace the fan, connect new fan. This is how it works. I just opened it, and I did it only for one reason. I wanted to know if there are 3 or 4 hash boards. It doesn't matter. It still mines same coins on same hash rate. But here where it gets interesting. You don't have a space, you don't want to hear the noise. Electricity is too expensive where you live. At Antminer, we offer hosting services. Well, we will run this machine for you in our facility and get this 5 cents per kilowatt hour, not 10 cents, not 15, 5. So let me show you what that means. At 10 cents per kilowatt hour, that means $8.50 daily profit. At 5 cents, it means 12 USD daily profit. That's 360 extra USD per month, over 4,300 per year. You own the hardware. We handle the setup, maintenance, cooling, uptime. You just watch your Dash wallet grow. No noise in your house, no heat, no angry neighbors, no worrying about power costs eating your profits. Here's a critical thing. 1. Dash was 146 yesterday, 40 USD last month and 108 today. That 15 USD daily could be 6 tomorrow or 25 in a week. Second, the network difficulty will rise. More miners, lower rewards. It's up 13% in 30 days already. 3. This is long term. This is for people who believe privacy, cryptocurrency and everything has future, who want to accumulate while securing the network. With hosting at 5 cents per kilowatt hour, you just give yourself a massive buffer against difficulty increases and price drops. This D9 is profitable. Why? Counter-cyclical assets. That's just launched Evolution platform, integrating Maya protocol, DEX, upgraded chain locks, security, overhauled privacy features to compete with Monero. Dash has survived since 2014. Now, while governments increase surveillance, while the EU cracks down with MiCA regulation, while traditional crypto bleeds, and this machine, it doesn't care if Bitcoin is 126k or 100,000. It mines 0.13 Dash daily. The only question that matters is Dash price above electricity cost? Yes. Look, mining in 2025 isn't easy money, but you know what it is? Being part of the network, securing decentralization, betting on the tech you believe in. Right now, while Bitcoin maxes cry about liquidation and Ethereum is down 40%, this boring ASIC stuck Dash 15 USD a day. Tomorrow, every single day. Option 1, buy the D9 for 2,890 USD. Run it yourself. If you got cheap power and space, go for it. Option 2, buy it and use on our hosting at 5 cents per kilowatt hour. Option 3, keep watching the market crash and wonder, what if? Real hardware earnings, real coins on real networks solving the real problems. Is it risky? Yes. Could Dash dump? Absolutely. Could difficulty spike? Probably, but with 5 cents hosting, you just stacked the odds in your favor. I'm Lucas from One Miners. Link below, hardware sales and hosting. Subscribe for more mining reality checks. Drop a comment, Bitcoin or privacy coins. Let's fight about it. See you in the next one.